Clashes around Mariupol were continuing since last Friday. Russian military took over the control of the Kiev's checkpoints in Vostochny district of Mariupol on Saturday, January 24, 2015. Frightened by this, Kiev's forces shelled Vostochny by artillery and MLRSs. 18 locals were killed, 83 locals were injured because Kiev's military are cowards, scared to fight against Novoroshan army face to face. Kiev's forces will get the new Ilovaisk in Debaltseva. Novoroshan military successful entered Popasnaya yesterday. There is street tanks fighting it since last night. Further, good guys entered Artemova and Mayorsk. Same time they are developing military success in Dolina and Travnaya. The street clashes are in Mironovskaya and Mironovka. Krasny Pakhor and Krasny Liman are under full control of Novoroshan forces. Also, there are clashes around Kirova in Dzerzhinsk sector and Magdalinovka. Kiev's forces are trying to counterattack only in Mayorsk. On account of these events, the surrounding of Kiev's military groups around Debaltseva is clear fact. So, some Rafael in Ilovaisk when the large group of Kiev's military was surrendered will be repeated again, just in another place. Moreover, the documentary of pro-Ukrainian TV channel Mariupol News Service showed in Mariupol the Ukrainian patriot from Battalion Azov whom is asking not to shoot him in fluent English with no accent. In accordance with well-known Ukrainian independence from US, likely he is so-called operator of US intelligence service whom is coordinating actions of Kiev's military in sector of battlefield where he was shooted. In Afghanistan, such specialist accompanied the troops of NATO whom were fighting against Taliban. Or he is just a fighter of a private military company. We know few of it, but we can't forget any founded by Ukrainian patriots. The one thing is clear, the military foreigners on battlefield isn't developed European country's character, but it's the character of a failed third world state. Same time in reality of epic Ukrainian victory. President Petro Poroshenko reported that mighty Kiev forces killed 600 Novoroshan troops in last 2 days. The school mathematics help us to know Kiev's military killed 3,300 enemy fighters and lost 11 Ukrainian patriots since day when they broke ceasefire on January 16, 2015. And all these in hard clashes against Russian special forces. This is the incredible result, but it's not all. 8 Grad rocket launchers were destroyed by the Ukrainian army, also said Poroshenko yesterday. But some Ukrainian media reports about 6 MLRS Grads destroyed by Kiev's military. Same time, Minister of Defense of Ukraine Stepan Poltorak reported that 6 out of 4 Novoroshan military MLRS Grads destroyed at Mariupol. These are all truthful reports. Remember, you mustn't call in question official stance of Western Ukrainian media, stance of Washington and Kiev. Don't we suppose they are lying? No, we don't.